Hey, this is Dakota. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego special rocket launcher. This is what it looks like. And now, how to build it. Just give me a sec. Alright, starting out with the handgun piece. You want to take this Lego nightstick. Stick it in just like that. Then, take the pipe. Stick it in the back like that. And then you want to take this Lego rocket launcher piece, stick it in like that. Then you take this cone, stick it in like that. Like that. Here's my friend Sam. He's going to show you how to make a special machine gun. Just kidding, rifle. Special rifle.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make my special sniper rifle. I'm going to take apart this right now. Okay, first you want to put the levers on the scope. Then put them on the gun piece. Then you want to take this machine gun piece, put it on the scope, put the hook on top, slide the pipe in, that's used as a scope, and last but not least, a stud that goes on the end. And it does have to be red. Anyway, here's Dakota again.
This is what my Lego rocket launcher, special rocket launcher, looks like on a guy.
And here's what my rifle looks like on a guy. Special. Anyway, I'm Dakota.
I'm Sam.
Nah, he's Dakota.
Nah, he's Sam. And
Anyway.
we're out.
Yes.